Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Keap CRM tags for better marketing segmentation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Setting up tags in Keap CRM is essential for effective marketing segmentation. Begin by logging into your Keap account. Navigate to the marketing section on the left sidebar. Select tags from the drop-down menu. To create a new tag, click on the Add Tag button. Enter a descriptive name for your tag in the provided field. Consider using clear and concise terminology that reflects the purpose of the tag. After naming the tag, click Save. Next, go to your contacts list to apply the new tag. Select a contact you wish to tag. In the contact profile, locate the Tags section. Click on the Add Tag button within that section. From the list, choose the tag you just created. Repeat this process for other contacts as needed. To create multiple tags at once, return to the Tags menu. Click on Bulk Actions and select Manage Tags. Choose the contacts you'd like to tag. Assign them multiple tags based on your marketing strategy. Click Apply to finalize the tagging process. Now your contacts are segmented effectively based on the tags you've assigned. Utilize these tags when creating targeted campaigns. By employing tags, you'll enhance your marketing efforts significantly. Regularly review your tags for relevance and effectiveness. This will ensure your segmentation remains up to date. With these steps, you're now equipped to set up Keap CRM tags for better marketing segmentation. Explore additional functions in Keap to further optimize your marketing strategy. Your efficient tagging system will lead to improved engagement and conversion rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.